Right, here's the rewritten script, tailored to Dr. Anya Sharma's persona. If you're a man navigating your 50s or care about someone who is, listen up, this isn't just important, it's * now star. Because getting older? It doesn't start with our bodies. It starts when we clam up. When we stop being real about what's going on, those slower starts in the morning, the quieter passions, those moments we catch our reflection and wonder where our mojo went. Too many guys assume sexual changes are just part of the package, that performance is doomed to fade, that intimacy just gets harder. But hey, what if I told you getting older doesn't have to mean getting weaker? That there's a powerful, natural, revitalizing way to wake up your body again, without pills, pressure, or feeling awkward. In this video, we're diving into one of the most overlooked tools for men's well-being, male wellness massage. Not for some fantasy, not just for a treat, but for real healing, real blood flow, real connection, and real results. We're talking about how these specific massage techniques boost circulation, support stronger erections, ease anxiety, and rebuild that confidence so many men lose, silently. You'll learn how, when, and why it works, especially as we age. But first, I want to hear from you. Where are you watching from? Pop your country in the comments so I know you're here, because this message is for you, no matter where you are in the world. And if this is your first time connecting with me, welcome. I'm Dr. Anya Sharma, and for nearly 2 decades, I've been helping men like you reclaim their energy, intimacy, and confidence, naturally. Alright, let's jump in. How can male wellness massages help? Let's start with a truth a lot of guys never learn it. Your body is designed to respond to touch, not just for fun, but for healing star. Male wellness massages? They're not about some unrealistic scenario. They're not erotic. They're intentional, therapeutic practices that support the health of your circulatory, muscular, and nervous systems, especially down there. As we age, blood flow to the genitals can slow down. Tissues lose their elasticity. The pelvic floor gets weaker, and stress? It builds up silently in the very muscles that are responsible for arousal. The result? Weaker erections, premature, let's just say release, lower drive, even feeling distant from our partners. But here's the good news, these changes aren't set in stone. Your body is still responsive, still capable, still ready to be activated the right way. Male wellness massages target those exact areas where tension hides, restricting blood flow and interrupting sensation. By applying gentle, rhythmic pressure to specific spots like the lower abdomen, inner thighs, perineum, and the base of the penis, you stimulate nerve endings, boost blood flow, and wake up dormant pathways. The result is stronger, longer-lasting erections, improved sensitivity, and more satisfying intimate experiences. And this isn't just some feel-good theory. Science backs this up. Studies in urology and pelvic therapy show that targeted massage can increase nitric oxide levels, improve vascular tone, and support the repair of smooth muscle tissue in the penis. All key ingredients for healthy sexual function. But maybe even more powerful than the physical transformation is what happens in our heads. These massages help break the cycle of performance anxiety. They teach your nervous system that you can feel without pressure, that you can receive without judgment, that you can relax into your own masculinity, one breath, one touch at a time. And that my friends, is where healing starts. Coming up, we'll dive into the psychological perks of these massages and how they help guys reconnect with their identity, not just as sexual beings, but as whole, worthy men. But if you've been feeling disconnected from your body, if you've been carrying stress in silence, this is your invite to come back home to yourself. Just type "I'm still here" in the comments if this is resonating, because I'm right here with you, and we're just getting started. The psychological benefits. Let's talk about something just as important, if not more so, than the physical side of intimacy, your mindset. You see, sexual function isn't just about blood flow or hormones. It's about how you feel in your own skin, how confident you are in your body, how safe you feel being seen, desired, and vulnerable. And as guys get older, that confidence can take a hit. You might find yourself second-guessing, will my body respond the way it used to? You might feel the pressure to perform. You might even start to avoid intimacy, not because you've lost interest, but because you're afraid of being disappointed. This kind of stress builds up, quietly. It tightens your muscles. It shortens your breath. It creates a disconnect between your mind and body. But this is where male wellness massages become more than just a physical thing. They become a gateway to emotional healing. By slowing down, by focusing on breath, by feeling instead of doing these massages create a space where you can release tension and reconnect with yourself. It's not just about touch. It's about permission star. Permission to take care of yourself. Permission to slow down and listen to your body. Permission to say, I matter. My pleasure matters. My healing matters. I had a patient, Robert. He was 69, a widower for 5 years, still active, still sharp. But he told me, Dr. Anya, I don't even know what it feels like to be touched without expectation anymore. That hit me hard. So, we talked about a new routine, one where he practiced wellness massage, not just to get erections back, but to feel again, to experience his body not as a problem to be fixed, but as a part of himself to be honored. And after a few months, he didn't just regain sensitivity. He smiled more. He stood taller. He told me, I feel like I've come back to life. That's the power of this. When you release anxiety, when you stop chasing performance, you make space for something so much deeper, authentic connection. Because what you really want isn't just physical. It's emotional closeness, presence, ease, and joy. And it starts by turning inward and saying yes to yourself. Coming up, I'll walk you through the exact techniques, from rhythmic strokes to perineal release, that you can try at home, step by step, to start this transformation today. But if this section resonated with you, if you felt the emotional weight of aging and intimacy, just type, I feel this in the comments. You're not alone, and this is your space to be heard. Techniques for enhancing sexual performance. Okay, let's shift from reflection to action, because this isn't just about theory. It's about what you can do with your own 2 hands to start improving circulation, restoring sensitivity, and rebuilding confidence in your intimate life. And the best part? These techniques are natural, non-invasive, and designed to work with your body, not against it. Let's start with the most foundational technique, rhythmic massage, the erection muscle activator. This technique uses gentle, repetitive strokes to stimulate the erectile tissues and improve blood flow through the penis. Think of it as waking up your body with steady, respectful touch. Here's how to start. First, make sure your space is calm and private. Use warm lighting. Play soft instrumental music. Put your phone on silent. This isn't just a chore, it's a ritual of self-respect. Next, apply a natural oil, like warm coconut, rosemary, or ginger oil. They're great for circulation and reduce friction. Then, using your thumb and forefinger, gently stroke the length of the penis from base to tip in slow, rhythmic motions. You're not trying to get aroused right away. You're encouraging vascular response, teaching your blood vessels to open, your tissues to breathe, and your nervous system to relax. The goal here isn't climax. It's connection star. Stay present. Breathe deeply. Tune into sensation. This practice retrains your body to respond without anxiety. 2. The manual ring method, boosting sensitivity and flow. If you've noticed a loss of sensitivity over the years, this technique can help restore it, gently. Here's how it works. Form a soft O shape with your thumb and index finger, like a loose ring. Gently encircle the base of the penis. Then, slide the ring forward slowly, applying light and even pressure all the way toward the tip. Repeat this for a few minutes, without rushing. This motion encourages blood retention, increases nerve stimulation, and enhances overall sensation. It also activates the smooth muscles that support erection maintenance, helping your body rebuild its natural rhythm. For best results, try this technique a few times per week as part of a longer self-massage or partnered routine. Number 3. Perineal massage, the deep circulation reset. Okay, let's go deeper, literally. The perineum is that sensitive area between the base of the penis and the anus. It's rich in nerve endings, blood vessels, and energy points tied directly to pelvic health and sexual stamina. Massaging this area does more than feel good. It releases pelvic floor tension, improves blood flow to the prostate, and activates the same muscles involved in climax control. To try it, apply warm oil and use your fingertips or knuckles to gently press and circle this area. Breathe slowly as you apply pressure. You might feel heat, tingling, or even unexpected emotion. That's all normal. This area holds years of tension, trauma, and unspoken stress. Releasing it helps you reclaim a deeper part of yourself. Each of these techniques is about more than performance. They're a way to communicate with your body, to say, I see you, I honor you, I want to heal with you. And remember, consistency matters. It's not about intensity. It's about trust star. Give your body time. Let it rebuild its connection to sensation and flow. With practice, you'll start to notice not just physical changes, but emotional ones. If you're still with me, drop a insert relevant emoji here, emoji in the comments to show you're committed to taking this healing journey one step at a time. Up next, I'll show you how to prepare the perfect massage space, from essential oils to environment, to help you or your partner create a deeply therapeutic experience at home for a wellness massage. Creating the right environment. Before you begin any of these powerful techniques, the environment you create can make or break the experience. Because this isn't just a routine, it's a ritual, a sacred moment between you and your body, or between you and your partner. And just like any important ritual, it deserves preparation. Let me walk you through how to create a massage space that invites relaxation, trust, and emotional safety. Number 1. Choose a quiet, comfortable space. Find a private room where you won't be interrupted. Silence your devices. Dim the lights or light a candle to soften the energy. Have a clean towel or massage sheet prepared on a bed, mat, or soft surface where you can fully relax. Make sure the room is warm enough so your body stays comfortable throughout the massage. 2. Use calming sounds. Sound has the power to reset your nervous system. Put on soft instrumental music, ambient nature sounds, or calming frequencies like 432 Hz. These create a rhythm for your breath and allow your mind to settle. If you prefer silence, honor that, too. This is about tuning inward, not performing. 3. Select the right massage oils. The oils you choose aren't just for slip and comfort. They add healing properties to the experience. Here are a few of my top recommendations. Ginger oil promotes blood circulation and provides a warming sensation. Rosemary oil stimulates blood flow and supports mental clarity. Coconut oil, gentle on sensitive skin and rich in natural antioxidants. Pro tip, always do a patch test first on your inner wrists to check for allergies or sensitivity. Warm the oil slightly in your hands before use. Cold oil can cause tension. Warmth invites trust. 4. Take time to breathe before you begin. Before you lay a hand on your body, pause. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 2. Exhale through your mouth for 6 counts. Repeat this 3 times. Why? Because relaxation starts in the breath. It's the gateway to your nervous system, your hormones, your erections, everything. When you breathe with intention, you teach your body to soften, and your mind follows. 5. Set an intention. Before you begin your massage, whisper this to yourself or say it aloud if you feel called. I choose to care for my body. I welcome healing, pleasure, and peace. I am safe here. This simple act of intention transforms the massage from a mechanical routine into a moment of emotional restoration. Now that your space is prepared, your oil is ready, and your mind is calm, you're not just massaging your body. You're awakening trust, circulation, and connection. In the next section, we'll explore something deeper, how male wellness massages impact emotional intimacy, not just with yourself, but with your partner. Because healthy touch is the foundation of connection, not just pleasure. The emotional connection, rebuilding intimacy through touch. Okay, let's go deeper, beyond the physical body and into the emotional space that so many men quietly long for but rarely talk about. Because the truth is, sexual health isn't just about erections or performance. It's about connection, about feeling wanted, present, and seen, not just by your partner, but by yourself. And this is where male wellness massages hold extraordinary power. Touch is communication. When you gently touch your own body with intention, or allow a partner to do the same, something shifts. You start to communicate without words. Touch says, I'm listening to you. You are worthy of care. You are still here, still powerful. Especially for men over 60 who might feel their bodies are letting them down, or changing in ways they can't control, touch becomes a language of reassurance, breaking the silence of shame. So many older men carry silent guilt or embarrassment around sex. They've been conditioned to be providers, protectors, but rarely receivers of care. Wellness massage reverses that. It invites men to receive, to slow down, to experience nurturing. And that alone can start to dissolve the emotional walls that block true intimacy. When performed with a partner, when shared in a trusting relationship, these massages become more than physical. They become rituals of reconnect. A partner's hands remind you, you are still desirable. You are not a burden. We're in this together. There's no pressure for arousal, no expectation for performance, just presence, safety, warmth. This creates a safe emotional space where affection can bloom naturally again, even after years of disconnect. When performed alone, even when performed solo, male wellness massage is a form of self-acceptance. You're sending a powerful message to your nervous system, I'm worth this time. I care enough to invest in my healing. And that sense of care starts to ripple out into every part of life, your posture, your voice, your relationships, your confidence. That's why I often say, a man who reconnects with his body often ends up reconnecting with his life. Up next, we'll explore the science-backed techniques that help men over 60 not only relax, but reignite their erections, boost sensitivity, and support long-term sexual health. Because pleasure and connection don't end with age, they evolve. Core techniques for enhancing sexual performance through massage. Now that we've established the emotional and biological power behind male wellness massage, let's move into the heart of it, how to actually do it. These are gentle, restorative techniques designed to improve circulation, restore nerve sensitivity, and build lasting confidence in men over 60. This is not about chasing performance. It's about creating conditions for the body to respond freely, without pressure, shame, or fear. Let's begin. 1. Rhythmic massage, stimulating erection muscles. One of the most effective methods is rhythmic massage. Here's how it works. Using natural oil, like warm coconut or rosemary oil, apply a light coat over the penis and surrounding area. Then, with soft, gliding motions, stroke along the shaft in a slow, deliberate rhythm from base to tip. Avoid quick or forceful movements. Think of this like gently waking up the nervous system, not pushing it. Keep your breathing deep and relaxed as you move. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. This rhythmic technique stimulates the erection muscles, encourages blood flow to the penis, and over time can restore sensitivity, especially in men who have experienced numbness, performance anxiety, or loss of function. Use this technique 3 to 4 times per week, preferably in a calm evening setting. 2. The manual ring method, enhancing sensation and control. Next is a favorite for many older men, the manual ring method. Form a loose ring with your thumb and index finger. Gently slide the ring from the base to the tip of the penis using light pressure, never too tight. Repeat this motion in a slow, controlled rhythm. Think patience, not urgency. This method activates nerve endings, increases erection quality, and rebuilds mind-body coordination, especially in men struggling with sensitivity loss or premature release. For best results, pair this with deep abdominal breathing and calming music. This isn't just technique, it's presence. 3. Perineal massage, the hidden key to pelvic power. Now, let's talk about a lesser-known but incredibly powerful technique, perineal massage. The perineum is the area between the scrotum and the anus, and it's packed with nerve endings, lymphatic vessels, and pelvic floor muscles that are directly tied to erectile function. Here's how to access it safely. Warm your hands and apply a small amount of oil. Use your index and middle fingers to apply gentle circular pressure to the perineal area. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds at a time, then release. Breathe deeply as you work. This practice relaxes the pelvic floor, improves blood flow to the base of the penis, and supports stronger, longer-lasting erections by activating deep core muscles involved in arousal. For many men, this technique becomes a game changer, especially when incorporated into a full-body relaxation routine. Why technique alone isn't enough? Now, here's something important to remember. You can apply every technique perfectly, but if your mind is racing, if your environment is loud, or if you're carrying tension or shame, your body won't respond fully. Which is why preparation is just as important as technique. And that's what we'll explore next, how to create a sacred space for self-care that opens the door to healing and intimacy at any age. Creating the right space for male wellness technique without the right environment is like planting a seed in dry soil. It simply won't grow. So, before any massage begins, your space must feel safe, warm, and free of judgment. This isn't about candles and cliches. It's about creating an atmosphere where your nervous system can finally exhale. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Control the environment. Dim the lights. Bright lights can trigger stress and self-consciousness. Go for a soft, golden glow from a lamp or even a salt light. Play gentle music. Slow instrumental or ambient tones help slow your breath and heart rate. Minimize distractions. Turn off your phone notifications. Let this time be just for you. When your environment is calm, your body follows. It gives permission for the parasympathetic system, the rest and restore side of your nervous system, to take over. And that's where true healing happens. Step 2. Use the right oils. Essential oils can enhance both the physical and emotional effects of your massage. Try these: ginger oil, a natural stimulant that improves circulation and warms the body. Rosemary oil supports blood flow and hormone balance. Lavender oil helps reduce anxiety and ease tension. Before using, always perform a patch test on your inner wrist and warm the oil between your palms before applying it to your skin. This small detail turns a routine into a ritual. Step 3. Engage the breath deep. Slow breathing tells your body you're safe. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale gently through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this throughout the massage. This technique enhances sensitivity, reduces anxiety, and supports natural erection by encouraging oxygen-rich blood flow. The emotional connection, solo and partnered healing. Now, here's where it all comes together. Wellness massage isn't just about the body. It's about restoring trust in your own hands, in your own desire, in your ability to feel again. This practice can be deeply personal, done in solitude with focus and reverence, or it can be shared with a partner, turning touch into a conversation, an act of presence and care. I've seen couples rediscover each other, not through performance, but through connection. A soft hand, a shared breath, a few minutes of presence. That's often where the magic returns. When practiced regularly, these massages become more than just a tool for intimacy. They become a way to ground yourself, reclaim your body, and rewrite the story of aging. Aging, intimacy, and the truth about masculinity. Aging is not the end of desire. It's the invitation to deepen it. As we grow older, the noise of expectation starts to quiet down. And in that silence, we can finally ask ourselves what truly matters. Is it performance or presence? Is it the chase or the connection? You see, true masculinity isn't measured in rigidity or repetition. It's measured in awareness, in gentleness, in the ability to listen to your body, to your partner, and to the space between you. This is where male wellness massage becomes more than just a method. It becomes a mindset, a choice to care, to heal, to honor the body that has carried you this far and still has so much more to give. Even if your energy has waned, even if you felt disconnected, even if you've been told your best days are behind you, they are not. You're not broken. You're simply ready for a new kind of strength. Your next step, begin with intention. If you've made it this far, you already know this isn't about quick fixes or tricks. It's about choosing to show up for yourself again. So, here's how you begin. Choose one technique from today, just one. Set aside 10 quiet minutes this week. Create a peaceful space. Add your favorite oil and start slowly. Whether it's the rhythmic method to reawaken sensation, the manual ring method to stimulate blood flow, or the perineal massage to release pelvic tension, just begin. Consistency will do what urgency cannot. Join the conversation, you're not alone. If any part of this message resonated with you, leave a comment below with "I stayed until the end." Let me know you're part of this growing brotherhood of men choosing to age with strength, intention, and grace. Tell me which massage technique spoke to you most. Have you tried this before, or is this your first step? What would you like me to cover in the next video? I read every comment because your voice matters, your story matters, and someone else might need to hear what you have to say before you go. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'm here every week, sharing practical, proven strategies to help men like you reclaim vitality, intimacy, and confidence. And I want to leave you with this: your body is not past its prime. It's waiting for permission to heal, and you hold the key. Let's walk this journey together. I'm Dr. Anya Sharma.